Hello, today we will go over the basic steps of how to create a resume. It may seem hard at first, but with time you'll be able to make your shiny new resume in no time. 1. Begin by selecting the appropriate resume format. The style and sequence in which you present information on your resume is referred to as a format. You may pick from 3 typical resume forms, depending on which is best for you. Chronological or reverse chronological, functional, or a hybrid of the two. A reverse chronological sequence is by far the most used and safest alternative if you're not sure which path to choose. This indicates that you arrange your experiences in chronological order from most recent to least recent. A functional resume, often known as a skills-based resume, is another option. This is typically utilized by career changers and those with limited or complicated employment history. It derives its name from the fact that it focuses on listing your talents rather than your experiences. You may also use a hybrid resume, which combines the benefits of both a reverse chronological and a skills-based resume. It puts your abilities front and center at the top, but leaves plenty of area below for your work and school experience. 2. Begin with the fundamentals. Always put your contact information at the top of your resume. You should add anything that would assist a recruiter in contacting you in this heading. This usually entails including your name, your contact information, your email address, other basic information such as your LinkedIn or personal website URL, GitHub for technical positions, social media accounts if relevant to the job, or your address may also be included. 3. Make a summary statement for your resume. If you're wanting to add clarity or context to your resume, they might be good to put at the beginning. If you're changing careers, a summary statement can help you explain your decision and connect your previous experience to your new route. If you're a more seasoned professional, a summary statement might be used to emphasize a theme that connects your work path. Overall, if your career is fairly straight and your bullet points do a good job of showcasing what you have to offer in terms of abilities and expertise, you probably won't require a summary statement. 4. Include keywords in your professional background. This section will very certainly make up the majority of your resume. Employers want to see where you've worked, what you've done, and the effect of your work to get a sense of your history and skills, even if you're changing fields. You'll nearly always want your most recent experience to be at the top and your older experience to be at the bottom. Start with your most recent employment and give a brief summary of it, including the firm name, the time period during which you were there, and your job title. Below that, include 2 to 4 bullet points that describe what you performed in that employment, the skills you developed and practiced, the tools you utilized, and the outcomes of your work. 5. Don't forget your education. If you have little job experience or are transitioning to a new field, an education section will be extremely useful. You may include details such as coursework that is relevant, average scholastic performance, membership in clubs or organizations, previously held positions of leadership, achievements, awards, and certificates. Include the name of the institution, dates of attendance, and your degree or field of study in your education section. It's possible that you have a unique educational experience, such as having completed an online course or obtaining a certification. Include it if you did it particularly to help you advance in your field. List everything in reverse chronological order, so a graduate degree comes before an undergraduate degree, and a more recent relevant online course comes after that. 6. Proofread your resume. Even though the writing isn't a requirement for the position, errors will make you appear sloppy, and might be the difference between you and someone else receiving it. Check your resume for problems in spelling, grammar, and punctuation. You should also request resume reviews from trusted friends, colleagues, instructors, and family members. Third-party perspectives might assist you to uncover fresh facts that you may have ignored. If your resume is more than one page, look for methods to condense or reduce each section by deleting unnecessary content or filler words. If you are applying for high-level roles or industries such as healthcare or academics, 2 pages may be sufficient. And now you're prepared to start on your own resume and land that job. Don't forget to check out our website and social media for new jobs and job fairs we'll be hosting. Good luck out there!